In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro in Google Meet. Before you step into the meeting, start by preparing your Miro board. Open the exact board you plan to share so it's ready to go the moment you present. Take a moment to tidy up the canvas, zoom to the area you'll start with, make sure key content is visible, and consider grouping or locking elements you don't want to accidentally move. If you use frames in Miro, land on the first frame you want everyone to see so your audience has a clear starting point. This quick setup helps your meeting begin smoothly without awkward scrolling around. When it's time to show your board, share your screen from Google Meet. Click Present Now, then choose either your entire screen or a window. Your entire screen is useful if you plan to jump between Miro and other apps, but remember it shows everything on your display. A window keeps the focus just on the Miro board and avoids distractions from notifications or other windows. After you pick the option that fits your workflow, select the Miro board window so Meet shares the right view and confirm the share. Give your audience a brief heads up that they should now be seeing the board. As you present, everyone in the Meet can watch your Miro board live. If you want people to contribute directly and they have Miro accounts, share the board link in the Meet chat so they can edit alongside you. Make sure the board's permissions allow them to access it. Viewers will only watch, editors can add and move content. Ask participants to confirm they can enter the board and give them a moment to join so you're all working in sync. During the meeting, use Miro's tools to keep collaboration clear and engaging. Pan and zoom slowly so viewers can follow your movement. Use sticky notes for quick ideas, shapes and arrows to map flows, and text boxes to label sections. The pen tool is great for quick markups, while comments are useful for questions you want to revisit. If people are editing with you, mention where to add their notes and set simple rules like one idea per sticky to keep things readable. Keep an eye on participant cursors to see where attention is and guide them to the right area as needed. To wrap up, give a quick summary on the board itself so everyone leaves with the same understanding. That's all you need. Prepare your board, share your screen in Meet, collaborate live, and use Miro's tools to bring your ideas to life.